Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Rabia Razak. I am from Arid Agriculture University and from Department Environmental Sciences. Today the topic of my presentation is mouse. Basically, what is mouse? Mouse is an input device that gathers manipulates data on the screen for the users. So the next question which arises in our mind is basically from where the mouse came. It was invented by Douglas Engelbart with the assistance of Bill English in 1960. So as we see that there is a similarity between the real mouse and this computer mouse. So due to this similarity it was named mouse. This is the outer structure of mouse containing cable, wheel, left click and right click. And this is the internal structure containing sensor, left button and helix or shaft, ball, infrared LED or wheel. So what are the functions of mouse which it performs? It helps to point or select object on the screen, execute programs and shortcuts, select or move while by dragging or dropping onto other things. There are many types of mouse, but here I discussed only few of them. The first one is mechanical mouse. Another name of mechanical mouse is ball mouse, and it needs a wire to connect to the computer. The next type is optical computer. It is advanced mouse with technology, and it does not require any moving components or any cables. The next thing is trackball mouse. Trackball mouse is also an input device and it needs human fingers, palms or hands for working. The next one is laser mouse. Laser mouse use light and its accuracy is 20 times greater than the optical mouse. Joystick mouse. It usually used in gaming and other graphic applications. Touchpad mouse. We mostly see this type of mouse in laptops. J mouse. This was used earlier, but now it is not using nowadays. And in this, the J key was used. The J key in the keyboard is used as mouse. Stylus mouse was used for high graphic application and drawing purpose and mainly used by the artists. Infrared cordless mouse. This is also known as wireless mouse, and it is connected by the USB and its signals are spreaded. What are the advantages of mouse? It usually take less time to understand how it works, and it also need a very small amount of space, and we can easily take it to anywhere. So the next thing, as we all know, are the disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? It usually also affect the human health, and they can be get damaged easily, and these require a plain surface for working, and some users who cannot move their wrist find it difficult to use. So any questions? Thank you so much.